Today I want to ask you a question. A question of truth. Think carefully before you answer. Do you actually trust your own life, or are you just living every day relying on someone else? You wake up in the morning, go to work, meet people, but from within, a voice calls out. Why am I so weak? Why am I not moving forward? I just can't do it. If you have heard this voice, then understand, this video is for you. The truth is, the world doesn't stop for your self-doubt. Time waits for no one. And the person who doesn't trust themselves, the world never trusts them. You are here today because you are exhausted, tired of fighting yourself every single day, tired of measuring your value by looking at others, tired of constantly saying, I'll do it tomorrow. But listen, being tired isn't the weakness. Giving up is. Listen to a bitter truth of life. No one else is responsible for your life. Not your parents, not your past, not your luck, and not the system. The control of your life is solely and strictly in your hands. But this is where the problem begins. Why can't you trust yourself? It's not because you are incapable, but because you have never given yourself proof. Every time you should have done something, you stopped. You got scared. You made an excuse. And every time you said to yourself, forget it, we'll see later, you lost a piece of your self-respect. Self-trust doesn't break in a single day. It dies slowly, with every small lie you tell yourself, starting tomorrow for sure. This time I'm serious. Just let this one problem get solved. And tomorrow never comes. Understand this one thing, confidence is not a feeling. Confidence is a byproduct of action. You don't become confident by watching motivational videos. You don't become strong by reading quotes. You become strong when you do the very thing you are running away from. Self-trust is built when you stand in front of your fear. When you are uncomfortable, yet you don't back down. Think, when you were a child, you didn't know how to walk. You learned by falling repeatedly. Back then, you never said to yourself, maybe I'm not worthy of walking. Then today, why do you doubt your growth so much? Because today you are chasing results and fearing the process. You want confidence, but you don't want to take the risk. You want respect, but you don't want discipline. You want success, but you are afraid of sacrifice. And then you say, I'm unlucky. No. You are comfortable. Want to build self-trust? Then remember the first rule. You must increase the weight of your words. What you say you must do. Start with something small. Very small. Fix a time every morning, and you must wake up at that exact time. Whether you're in the mood or not. Whether you have energy or not. Not because waking up early is magic, but because you are signaling to your brain. I do what I say. This is where self-trust is born. Every time you keep your word, you are building a backbone within yourself. And listen, people start taking you seriously only when you start taking yourself seriously. Your biggest problem isn't that you didn't get opportunities. Your problem is that you don't consider yourself worthy of the opportunity, and this will change with only anyone else. Not to motivation, not to your mood, not to the situation. What you ought to do, do it. Whether you feel like it or not. Because discipline takes you where motivation can never take you. If not now, then when? You have no guarantee that you will get this clarity again tomorrow. Therefore, today, at this very moment, make a decision. Stop lying to yourself. Stop running from yourself. And accept your responsibility. You are not weak. You are just not using your strength. And remember, once you learn to trust yourself, then slowly, the whole world starts trusting you. So stand up. Stand up straight. Your life will not wait for you. Either you start today, or one day you will have to live with the regret that, I wish I had found the courage that day. The choice is yours. And for the one who trusts themselves, nothing is impossible.